Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematics for All. So this lesson will also be on simplification but of different kind of expressions. Okay, so again I will give the same name, simplification continued. Yeah, so this is simplification continued. Date is 19814. So the first problem, 7 to the power of n plus 2 minus 3 into 7 to the power n plus 1 divide by 20 into 7 to the power n minus 2 into 7 to the power n. I can write it like this: 7 to the power of n into 7 to the power of 1, 20 into 7 to the power of n minus 2 into 7 to the power of n. I can take 7 to the power of n common, then bracket open. Here it is 7 square minus 3 into 7 to the power of 1 is 7. By 7 to the power of common, 20 minus 2. Cancel. 49 minus 21 by 18. This is 20 27 by 18. 20 not 7, it is 28 by 18. 28 by 18. For 2 14s are 2 9s are 14 by 9. Okay, yeah. So the next one is on second 2. 16. So what is the property? See, 7 to the power of n into 7 square is 7 to the power of n plus 2. So I have been given this, I am going in the reverse order. That is a to the power of m plus n is a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Same for all of this. Moving to the next one, similar type, only you all do with me when you are copying on your notes, on your notebook I mean. So 16 into 2 to the power of n plus 2 to n plus 2, right? So how can I write this thing? 16 into 2 to the power of n into 2, 4 into 2 to the power of n by 16 into 2 to the power of n into 2 to the power of 1, 2 into 2 to the power of n into 2 square, 2 to the power of n common, 16 into 2 minus 4 by 2 to the power of n common, 16 into 2 minus 2 into 2 square is 8. Cancel. 32 minus 4 by 32 minus 8. This is 2 square, sorry, 2 square. This is 64, my mistake, 64. So this is 28 by 56, which is half. Correct? Similar type problem. Go through these two problems. I'll give you 30 to 45 seconds before I move to the next one. क्लियर है? We are only doing the reverse of the property. It is like a to the power of m plus n is a to the power of m into a to the power of n. We are doing the reverse of the property. Clear? Okay. The next one. 3. So 3 will be 6 into 8 to the power of n plus 1 plus 16 into 2 to the power 3n minus 2 whole divide by 10 into 2 to the power 3n plus 1 6 into 8 to the power of n into 8 plus 16 into 2 to the power of 3n into 2 to the power of minus 2, then 10 into 2 to the power of 3n into 2 minus 7 into, this is 2 cube to the power of n, I can write, isn't it? Is equal to, so I can write it like this, see, this is 6, 8 6 are 48, so 8 to the power of n into 48 is 48, 2 cube, so this 16, this is, I can write 16 into 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4, and this can be written as 2 cube to the power of n. Here I can write 20 into 2 cube to the power of n minus 7 into, this is 8 to the power of n, right? So here I can write is 8 to the power of n into 48 4 4s are 16, so plus 4 into 8 to the power of n divide by 20 into 8 to the power of n minus 7 into 8 to the power of n. यहाँ तक कॉपी कर लो, all of you copy till here. Done? Okay. So now I can take 8 to the power of n common from the numerator as well as from the denominator, right? So I can take 48 plus 4 by 20 minus 7. Right? Okay. So from here we'll move to the next one. 4. 9 to the power of n into 3 square into 3 to the power of n minus 27 to the power of n divide by 3 to the power of 3m into 2 cube is equal to 1 by 27. Then m minus n is equal to how much? Okay. See, this I can write as 3 square n minus 3 cube n one by 3 cube. Then this is 3 to the power of 2n into 3 to the power of n into 3 square minus 3 to the power of 3n 3 to the power of 3m okay, clear till this step? There this will get added up into 3 square is 9 into 8 implies I can take 3 to the power of 3n common by 3 to the power of 3m into 8. 9 minus 1 8 and 8, so this get cancelled. This implies 3 to the power of minus 3, because the bases are equal, so powers are always equal. We can say a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of y, so of course these two are equal, no? Similarly, so this implies 3 which implies minus 3, so n minus m is equal to minus 1 implies m minus n is equal to 1. Clear? Go through it. I am only showing you the ways to simplify. There is no end to problems. You, by only solving the problems, you will come to know when to apply which approach. In which problem, which approach you should apply to make it simpler or easier to simplify. That will only come when you invest time for this subject, when you keep on practicing the problems. I mean, you have to be in constant touch with this subject. It is a very time investing subject. There is no shortcut, unfortunately. So through regular practice, we'll be able to at least have a hands-on I should say that you will be able to at least handle, if not all, but at least 70 to 80% of the problems. And the kind of problems that I am discussing, beyond the difficulty levels of the problems that I have discussed till now, or you won't get in boards or nor school exams. So I think I have done till 4 videos till now, so which will contain 16 questions. Okay, fine. Chalo फिर then. Thank you for a patient hearing. We'll move to the next one more session on simplification. I don't know whether this will be the last one or not, but let's see. So bye then. Take care. God bless. Stay safe.